Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Yana Tungo. If it's your first time stopping by, welcome. Please don't forget to subscribe, like, comment and share. So on today's video, I'm going to show you how I did this jumbo twist braid using rubber band method, and this is for all my sisters who don't know how to grip their hair from the roots. So I'll start applying Lorraine's leave-in treatment to ensure that my hair has enough moisture. Then afterwards, I'll take my oil just to seal in the moisture. So I'll be using this particular elastic rubber bands, and of course our hair for today, Lagos Jumbo Braids. So guys, I've already sectioned my hair and I'll be using this gel, molding wax gel. Apply it on the root of my hair to give it some extra hold. Then divide my natural hair into two parts. Then afterwards, I'll grab my braiding hair, put it in between where I did the section. Then once I'm done, I will take my elastic rubber band just to hold my natural hair and to make sure that the braiding hair is like secured. And make sure that your braids are like on the same level, okay? So once I'm done, I'll just tighten my hair. And don't tighten it too much because you don't feel some sort of headache or uncomfortable when you'll be doing your twists. So afterwards, I will just tuck in my natural hair, then start twisting all the way down, exactly as you can see. But in this particular style, I added some braid because I wanted my hair to be like a little bit long. You can choose not to. Depends with your preference. And make sure that you twist all the way down. And after you're done twisting, you'll just tie a knot because you don't want your twist to like unravel or anything like that. And please let me know in the comment section if by any chance you're going to try this style, especially to some of you who don't know how to grip your hair from the roots. You can just use rubber band and achieve this style. And please guys, don't forget to share this video to your friends, to your family, to any person who wish to share this video to, okay? Support a girl child, please. Support a girl child. Aish. So I will show you again. Applying the same technique. After sectioning your hair into two parts, you're going to grab your braiding hair, put it in between where you did the section. Then afterwards, I'll go ahead and take my elastic rubber band just to hold my natural hair together. And again, you guys, thank you so much for your love. Thank you for your support. Thank you for believing in me and pushing me to be doing more and more styles. And just to let you know, every style that I'll be uploading, especially twisting, braiding, doing cornrows, crocheting, everything I learned here on YouTube. And I just want to inspire someone maybe who wants to has a passion of just styling your hair, braiding, in anything to do with your hair. You can do it. Just keep on practicing, and at the end of the day you'll just see yourself learning, and you'll feel so happy about it. Just keep on practicing and you will just feel so good about doing your hair at a price, especially when you're broke. So guys, I'm almost done, and as usual you'll just apply the same technique. Divide your natural hair into two sections. Then after that you're going to take your braiding hair, put it in between where you did the section. Then you're going to hold your natural hair with the elastic rubber band, and again guys, make sure that your braids are on the same level, okay? Then here I am just tucking in my natural hair into this braid, and afterwards I'll just start twisting. And again guys, please let me know if by any chance you're going to try this style, especially if you don't know how to grip your hair from the roots. This is a style to go for. And oh my goodness, I was distracted and almost forgot to add my braid, but I just went back and added. So once I'm done, I will use this hot water just to seal the ends of my braid. And please, when using hot water, make sure that you be very careful, because you don't want to, burn yourself or anything like that. Just be careful, okay? So afterwards, I'll go ahead and style my edges exactly as you can see. So I went ahead and oiled my scalp using this coconut oil just to give my hair some life in it. Ladies and gentlemen, this style didn't disappoint. And as you can see, I went further and added some gold accessories just to accessorize my hair. Thank you guys again for your time. I will see you again in my next video. Please don't forget subscribe, okay? Subscribe and share this video to your friends, to anyone you wish to share this video to, okay? So I will see you again in my next video. Bye.